The most stringent quality control is the principle of Sameway. Every e-bike, from frame welding, surface coating, battery manufacturing, motor manufacturing, to assembly, is strictly implemented in accordance with the ISO 9001 certification. Sameway has invested in professional testing equipment for frame vibration, front fork performance, lithium battery, motor, and function testing. Lithium e-bikes are passing up to 30 quality inspection processes before packaged into warehouse to ensure the products are 100% qualified before delivery. This is the concept that Sameway regard quality as life and pursue excellent products. The ingenuity of a great e-bike into the hearts of the people.